Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Cookbooks is probably one of the most crucial things to consider when you want to introduce your children to the joys of cooking, because the right cookbook can spark a lifelong love for culinary arts and healthy eating habits, making mealtimes more fun and educational for both parents and children. Finding one that caters to their age, skill level, and interests is key to a successful and enjoyable cooking experience. Number 5. Young Chef's Cookbook. It's the ultimate guide for young culinary enthusiasts. It's packed with 100+ recipes that are fun to make and delicious to eat. This cookbook has a huge variety of recipes, perfect for any skill level. You'll find something new to try every day. Each recipe includes clear, step-by-step instructions and photos, making cooking simple and enjoyable. Even beginners will feel confident in the kitchen. It's filled with exciting recipes that are both tasty and fun to create. Get ready to impress your family and friends with your culinary skills. It's designed specifically for young cooks, with age-appropriate recipes and techniques. It's the perfect way to start your culinary journey. Grab your copy and get ready to explore the wonderful world of cooking. It's time to unleash your inner chef. What we like. It has a wide variety of recipes to choose from. If you are looking for a cookbook with many options for young chefs, this is it. It's perfect for kids who love to experiment in the kitchen and discover new flavors. What people say. Recipe directions are clear. Many good hints. A worthwhile purchase for older kids through teens, and for beginner cooks. Easy, fun recipes. Detail on the process involved. There are pages that teach technique. Photos are excellent. Easy to read. Recipes are simple enough that kids can make corrections if they make a mistake. Great for beginners. Number 4. Baking Book for Young Chefs. Welcome to the world of baking. This book is your guide to creating delicious treats, from sweet cakes to savory pastries. Let's get started. It's filled with over 100 recipes for sweet delights. You'll find everything from classic cookies to innovative cakes. Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth. But it's not just about sweets. This book also includes savory recipes, perfect for expanding your baking horizons. Explore new flavors and techniques. Learn essential baking techniques, from measuring ingredients accurately to mastering different oven temperatures. It's all explained clearly and simply. Once you've baked your creations, it's time to share the joy. These recipes are perfect for sharing with friends and family. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. With so many recipes to choose from, you'll be baking up a storm in no time. Let your creativity shine and have fun experimenting. What we like. This cookbook specializes in baking, offering a delightful mix of sweet and savory treats. If you have a child with a sweet tooth or a budding pastry chef, this is the one for them. They'll love creating delicious baked goods to share. What people say. It's full of colorful photo illustrations and easy to understand directions. Seems to be pretty thorough and informative for beginning cooks without talking down to them. Pictures are of real boys and girls making the recipes, not cutesy or childish pictures. Bright colors and good format. The recipes are easy to understand and turn out delicious. We also have the complete cookbook for young chefs, 100+ recipes that you'll love to cook and eat, and the kids made so many dishes, and I am surprised how simple and delicious they turn out every time. Number 3. Food Network's Kids Baking Book. Get ready for a delicious adventure. This cookbook is filled with 110+ amazing recipes perfect for young bakers. It's so simple, even beginners can create tasty treats. Each recipe has clear instructions and colorful photos. From cookies and cakes to pies and more, it's a world of baking possibilities. Let's get creative in the kitchen. It's the perfect activity to share with loved ones. Baking together creates sweet memories and delicious results. With this book, you'll learn new skills and discover the joy of baking. Get ready to impress everyone with your yummy creations. Open this book and discover a world of sweet and savory treats. Let's start baking. What we like. It features recipes from the well-known Food Network. If you are looking for reliable and kid-approved recipes, this cookbook is a great choice. It's perfect for parents who want to ensure their children are making delicious and safe treats. What people say. Every recipe is easy and delicious to make. Sure to keep the party going and the kids interested. Easy to follow recipes for kids to follow with adult supervision if need be. This is a great cookbook with desserts that kids can make pretty easy with guidance from mom or dad. The pictures are colorful and delicious also. Number 2. Tovla Junior Kids Cooking Set. It's the perfect gift for your young chef. This complete set has everything they need to start cooking and baking, all in one convenient storage case. We use only safe, non-toxic, food-grade materials. It's designed to build your child's confidence and kitchen skills. The set includes a recipe book with delicious, easy-to-follow recipes. Cooking together is a great bonding experience. Stylish and gender-neutral, it lets your child express their culinary talents. The apron helps keep things tidy. Using the various tools helps enhance dexterity and hand-eye coordination. From rolling dough to using the knives, it's all about learning and fun. This set includes a reusable toolbox, apron, measuring tools, kid-safe knives, and much more. It's a complete cooking and baking experience. What we like? It's more than just a cookbook, it's a complete cooking set. If you're looking to gift your child a fun and educational experience, this is ideal. It helps develop fine motor skills while fostering a love for cooking. What people say. This gift set includes everything kids need to start cooking and baking like real chefs. From utensils and measuring tools to mixing bowls and cookie cutters, it provides all the essentials for a fun and educational cooking experience. The cooking utensils and bakeware are made from durable, food-grade materials that are safe for kids to use. They're designed to withstand the rigors of cooking and baking while ensuring long-lasting durability. The included cookbook features a variety of kid-friendly recipes that are easy to follow and fun to make. It provides step-by-step instructions, helpful tips, and colorful illustrations that inspire creativity and culinary exploration. Number 1. ATK Kids Cookbook. It's time to get messy and have fun in the kitchen. This cookbook is filled with simple recipes perfect for kids. Let's get our hands dirty. These recipes encourage lots of mixing, rolling, and squishing. It's easy to follow along with these kid-friendly instructions. Even the pickiest eaters will find something they love. This cookbook is designed for cooking together. It's a great way to spend quality time with family. Get ready for delicious food and tons of laughs. It's the perfect way to make cooking an enjoyable experience for everyone. Let's create some delicious treats together. This cookbook has something for every sweet tooth. What we like? It emphasizes fun and interactive cooking experiences. If you like messy and playful cooking with your kids, this cookbook is perfect. It makes cooking together a memorable and enjoyable activity for the whole family. What people say. This one lays everything out simply but with great information on each page. Each recipe is rated easy, medium, advanced and lists all equipment needed along with ingredients. On the following page each step is shown with simple explanations under great pictures. The cookbook offers step-by-step guides to each recipe. The recipes are simple and are of foods that most children would most likely enjoy. Ingredients are usually on hand. The recipes are easy for her to read, which make it easy for her to make them. The ingredients are simple and common items you have around the home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.